What's up, guys? What are you doing my YouTube? Why are you watching? So, you see? So, that I told you last video that about that title review Nerf guns war. Well, here's the comment now. The review. So now I'm not going to start a vlog now. I'm not going to start. I'm going to still. Sorry. I'm going to still. Wait. Where do I put the camera? Oh. See, I'm on the tree with my car now, and you're just saying me. You want to save guns, right? Wait for 1 minute. So, as you can see here, my guns and my brother guns. I told you that gun versus gun, right? Oh yeah, I'm shooting on the noobs, bro. So, as I can see, I'm outside, came from my work, and now this is a retaliator. The brother guns to fight for the battle is this gun coming at your face, and this is going to kill my brother. And now this is my gun going to kill that brother and see who will win this challenge. Now click like and subscribe to unboxing this video. Oh wait, no unboxing, it's a review. See, I want to show you something. 1 minute again. See, I just took something and I don't know what's this one. So rip it, and boom! What we have here? My gun, my backup gun, my jolt, my backup gun. Face my brother, shoot him in the ass. Now, another one. What we gotta see here? Like, I don't know what's this, but boom! The try. I don't know what's this. My brother gun, 3 shot, 1 kill. Now today I'm going to make a nerf war, and this is going to be so. It's gonna be. The time is I see 3:28 p.m. So our gunfight will start now, tomorrow, until I stop this my brother fighting. So click like, subscribe, and I will see you next week for the gunfight. Don't forget.